Alright, so let's talk about the Moto G Stylus 2026. Back in November, a few live images tied to FCC filings popped up. Fast forward to this month, and now we've got proper renders. The latest ones shared by Android Headlines just a couple of days ago pretty much lock in the direction Motorola is taking. And the short version, Motorola isn't trying to reinvent this phone. The renders show a design that's very close to the 2025 model. Same overall shape, same flat display, and that familiar vegan leather style back. The camera module keeps that squared off look, and yes, the built-in stylus is still very much part of the design. If you were hoping for a dramatic redesign, these images don't really point in that direction. That said, it doesn't come off as lazy, it feels like a very deliberate choice. The 2025 model was probably Motorola's most balanced stylus phone so far, so carrying that design forward makes sense. The changes here, if any, look subtle rather than obvious. What's interesting is what these renders don't tell us. There's no confirmation on specs, no hints about the processor, cameras, or charging speeds. Android Headlines didn't attach a spec sheet to these images, so for now, we're still operating in educated guess territory. Based on how Motorola has handled the stylus lineup historically, a few things feel likely. Battery capacity has stayed at 5,000 mAh for years, so that's probably unchanged. The 50 megapixel main camera paired with a 13 megapixel ultra wide has also become the standard setup, and there's no real indication that Motorola is moving away from that formula yet. The display trend also looks steady. Motorola has settled into a 6.7-inch flat panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, and the renders support that idea. No curved glass, no experimental layouts, just a clean, practical screen. Some features are basically locked in at this point. The stylus itself, microSD card support, and the overall do more without spending flagship money approach are what define this phone. Removing any of those would be a bigger story than adding a new feature. Where upgrades usually happen is under the hood. Motorola typically refreshes the chipset each year, even if the jump isn't huge, and the phone will almost certainly ship with a newer version of Android. Last year, Motorola also made a meaningful step by adding full IP68 water resistance, and if that carries over, even without improvement, it's still a strong feature for this segment. As for pricing, nothing in the December reports suggests a change. Historically, Motorola has kept the stylus line around $399, and unless something major changes internally, that price point still makes sense. So right now, this feels like a careful, incremental update. Not flashy, not experimental, just Motorola sticking to a formula that clearly works for its audience. We'll know a lot more once specs start leaking, but for now, this is one to keep an eye on. Peace.